Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to build these super cool truck bed toolboxes. And they fit perfectly in 6 wide trucks with a 4 stud high bed. Like that. So after the intro, I'll show you what they look like in the truck, plus I will show you how to build them. So let's get into it.
Hi, my name's Orb, and these are my creations. Stick around to the end of the video because I'm probably making something pretty cool.
Okay, so I have 2 truck bed toolboxes. This one is just kind of like a brick-built one. It doesn't really have any cool features to it, minus the fact that it will look cool in the bed of the truck. Now this one, it can open, and it can also open when it is in the truck bed, so that's really cool. Ignore these multicolored clips there. I didn't really have any other clips. So let me show you guys what they look like in the truck. Okay, so this is what the brick-built one looks like in the truck. Now, it does look good from the side. If you ignore the fact that it's covering up most of the window, it looks pretty good. But I will also show you how to make a lower version that looks slightly worse from the side, but you can see more of the window. And that's just up to you, whether you like that version or not. So now I'll show you the other one. Okay, here's the other one. So this one looks better in it because you can see more of the window, just because there's that noticeable gap right there. And you can open it when it is in the bed of the truck, which I think is super cool. Also, there's like a bunch of storage space where you could put, I don't know, whatever you want to put in your minifigures truck. So, yeah, I think that that's super cool. And, you know, this one doesn't look as polished as the other one, but I like that it's more functional, and I think it's cool. So let me just tear these apart, and then I will show you exactly how to build them. Let's get into it. Okay, so for the brick-built one, you will need 2 2x4 gray plates, or whatever color you would like your truck bed toolbox to be. You will need a 2x4 brick in whatever color, again, what the toolbox will be, and a 2x2 plate in whatever color you want your toolbox to be. And you will also need 2 1x6 tiles, again, in whatever color the toolbox is going to be. Now, I will first show you how to build a lower version and what that looks like, but, I mean, the other version works perfectly fine. So take the 2x4 plate and place a 2x4 brick on top of it, and then just take the 2 1x6 tiles and place them on top. Now that's just the small version, and this is what it looks like. Now you can see more of the window, but it doesn't look as cool from the side. So I'll let you decide. If you want to mod these more, that's perfectly fine. I think that this looks good from the back, but, you know, the other one just looks better from the sides. Okay, let's... Now, if you would like to build the taller version, all you need to do is remove these 2 1x6 plates and place the 2x4 plate right there, and the 2x2 plate there. Then just place the 1x6 tiles on top of that. There you go. That's the brick-built version. Okay, now for the more complicated version with the opening top, you will need these pieces. 3 1x2 panels, or whatever you want to call them. I don't really know what they're called. They're just these pieces. 3 1x2 clip other things. whatever that's called. Sorry, I'm not really like I don't know terms for Lego pieces. Anyway, you'll need 3 of those. You'll need 4 1x1 plates right there. You'll need 1 2x4 plate in whatever color. All these should be in the same color. You'll need a 1x6 tile, and you'll need 2 1x1 modified plates with clips, I think they're called. So yeah, let's get building. First, take the 2x4 plate there and put 2 1x1 plates on top of each other in this corner. And 2 1x2 plates on top of each other in this corner. Like that. Now take the 1x2 panels and place them there, filling in the gaps here. Like that. Next, take the 1x1 modified tile with clip on them and put them on top of the 1x1 plates. Now, set that off to the side and take the 1x6 tile and place these 1x2 modified plates just like that underneath it. Now take this and place this on the clips. Just like that. Okay. Well, now you've built yourself a cool truck bed toolbox with an opening thingamajig. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you would like me to create next, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.